This is how to reset your service, oil, or put in dyno test on a 2019 Sprinter 2500. So you first put it with all the doors and everything closed. Setting 1. You hold down this back and home button for 3 seconds, then tap the center one while it's on the odometer screen. So hold 1, 2, 3, and then click on that other one, and you get this setting here. You scroll down, you can put in dyno test, you can do the brake pad replacement, you go to assist plus, turn on the ignition, and you go to full service, confirm that you've done the service, you select the oil grade. The oil grade is on the oil that you switched. Confirm that it is carried out. Double confirm. Full service is carried out. Tap one more time. Go out and back. Turn the car off. Open up the door. Give it a close. And start the car one more time just to ensure. That's how you reset the oil on a 2019 Sprinter 2500.